front, left side, right side, rear side, left rear side, right rear. The vehicle is powered by a Cummins B190 engine. Manual 6-speed transmission, length 7,586 mm, width 2,320 mm, height 2,740 mm, with 12.5 R20 off-road tires. The vehicle is powerful, can be started smoothly in low-temperature environment. It has independent tire inflation and deflation, wide variety of types, semi-roll, double roll, etc. can be selected according to the needs. Dongfeng 6-wheel drive EQ2102 is a major model of our company, durable and practical.